we will see session number 19 in Catia. Applying dimensions. In this task, you will learn how to create a dimensions. When creating dimensions on elements, you can preview the dimensions to be created. You can see this is a dimension. Understanding annotations toolbars. Annotation commands are actually provided with the interactive drafting workbench. Therefore, the sections of the documentations actually points to the interactive drafting user guide. As such, the information detail in these sections is presented in an interactive drafting context. You can see this is a annotation and understanding dress up features toolbars. This one is a dress up. Understanding geometry creation toolbar. You can see this one is a geometry creations toolbars. Geometry modification toolbars. This one is a geometry modifications toolbars. Let's see in the Catia. You can see this is a geometry modifications, annotations, geometry creations, trace of features, and dimensions. We will see one by one. You can see this one is a dimension given. Again, firstly we will create some object. You can create one circle and select a dimension. Select this. You can see it. If this text is a small, just right click on it, go in a properties and in font you can go in a font and give here as a 18. You can see this size is increased. This is the dimensions. You can give here as a column A, column B, datum. Just a one or two words are there only. B, capital B, and click on OK. We need to just increase the size. From here also you can increase 18. You can see this is a B. And let's see in geometry modifications there are some marks are there. You can create corners on it, jumpers, all things. And in annotations you can give the text. Just click on the drawing area and give the text as I'm giving this and select this one and increase the size of text 20. You can see this is a text drafting drawing is there, and this is some symbols are there. You can see just adding the symbols, and this one is a table editor is there, column 2 by 2. Okay, you can see it. You can increase from here as a 20 and give the text inside this. Okay, you can give as a 50. Yes, now it is visible. And in geometry creation there are points are there, lines are there, and you can see this one is lines. You can create lines, profiles, splines, all things you can create in geometry creations. And last one is the dress up feature, center line. If you want in this circle center line, just click on circle. You can see so automatically center line is created by using these dress up features commands. We will see area fill creations. Just click here and click inside the circle. You can see area filling. And this one is a arrow. You can click on here and just go away. This one is a arrow. These all features are there in session number 90. Thank you. This session is completed.